For many people, having a bird is one of the most amazing things on earth. Birds are beautiful, graceful creatures that can be incredibly inspirational. Watching a bird soar through the sky is a truly breathtaking experience. And learning about their unique habits and behaviors is endlessly fascinating. Birds can teach us a lot about nature and the world around us. And they can also provide us with endless hours of entertainment. Whether you're a seasoned bird enthusiast or just starting out, getting to know these amazing creatures is definitely worth your time. The tulips are one of the most wonderful things on earth. They are so beautiful and inspiring. They make me happy every time I see them. And they remind me that there is always something good to look forward to. There's nothing quite like the sweet, creamy taste of strawberry ice cream on a hot day. It's the perfect way to cool down and refresh yourself. And it's also incredibly delicious. If you're looking for a way to inspire yourself, why not try thinking about strawberry ice cream?